Am I detained or free to go?
I'm asking you, whose car is this?
I'm asking you if I'm detained or free to go.
We need your ID or your name and date of birth.
Not answering any questions or cooperating.
You're not going to cooperate?
Nope.
Then I'll have DPS come out here.
Tell me why you pulled me over.
If you don't want to identify yourself, that's fine.
You pull me over to check my name?
Sir, we're going to do an immigration and narcotics check on your vehicle. We'll take your keys out, stop your car. Okay, fine.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by a viewer that wishes to remain anonymous and will be referred to as Joe for this video. In September of 2012, Joe refused a search of his vehicle at a Border Patrol interior checkpoint, during which Officer Hoyt held Joe for over an hour. Joe filed a complaint on the officer, which was not sustained, and just over a year later, Officer Hoyt happened to recognize Joe at another checkpoint, and followed him for about 5 miles before initiating a traffic stop. Joe had not committed any traffic infractions, and decided to film the stop for his own protection.
What's going on, man?
Alright.
Whose car is this?
Excuse me?
Whose car is this?
Am I detained or free to go?
I'm asking you, whose car is this?
I'm asking you if I'm detained or free to go.
And I'm asking you, whose car is this?
If I'm not detained, I'm going to leave.
No, you are.
Oh, I am detained? Okay. Then I can't answer any questions without an attorney.
I'm asking whose car is this?
I can't answer any questions without an attorney present.
Can I get an ID?
Can't answer any questions or cooperate in any way without an attorney present. Why did you pull me over?
We need an ID. We need your ID or your name and date of birth.
Not answering any questions or cooperating.
You're not going to cooperate?
Nope.
Then I'll have DPS come out here.
Have whoever you want do whatever you want.
I need name and date of birth.
I'm not giving you anything. You have no reason to pull me over. What's your name? G. Hoyt?
Oh,
I remember you from last time.
I'm asking you. Do you have an ID on you?
You're just digging yourself a deeper hole. So you do whatever you want. Because you had no reason to pull me over. I don't have to give you anything.
I'm asking you to identify yourself.
I already told you. You got your answer. Do whatever you need to do with it.
Joe refuses to identify to the officer, and the officer refuses to provide a good reason for the traffic stop, much less a reason for why Joe should surrender his right to privacy and hand over his papers. Officer Hoyt returns to inform Joe that other units would be responding, and continues to refuse to provide a valid reason for the stop.
Well, sir, DPS is en route. It's going to be a little while, so you're going to be detained until they get here, unless you want to cooperate.
Why'd you pull me over?
Unless you want to cooperate.
You don't want to tell me why you pulled me over?
I'm asking you for your name.
Tell me why you pulled me over.
If you don't want to identify yourself, that's fine.
You pull me over to check my name? Is that legal for you to do that?
You don't want.
You pulled me over to ask me my name.
I'm asking you right now for your name.
Why did you pull me over?
If you don't want to give me your name.
If you don't want to answer me why you pulled me over.
DPS will be out here.
Whatever, dude. Fucking retard.
More officers arrive on scene and request ID, including Captain Sturgeon, who informs Joe that they are going to run a canine around his vehicle to check for illegal immigrants and narcotics.
Let's go, sir. You mind turning your vehicle off? No? You're not going to turn your vehicle off? You turn your vehicle off and hand me the keys. Okay.
Now we got another Border Patrol vehicle.
What's the problem, sir? Why don't you want to tell us who you are? If you just give us your ID, we'll check it and then you'll be on your way.
Sir, we're going to do an immigration and narcotics check on your vehicle. We'll take your keys out, stop your car. Okay, fine. You can get your canine.
So you know, sir, I'm going to do a canine sniff around your vehicle.
Wow. We got a R. Sturgeon. What's your name, sir?
Why do you want to know my name, sir?
You have to identify yourself.
You don't tell me your name.
What's your name? So you're refusing? Okay, he's refusing. We got the doggy. Now the dog's not gonna alert on shit, and they know it. Oh, he's got the big guns out. Wow, this dude's got a fucking rifle out. Holy shit. Wow, they're serious. Wow. They put some stop sticks in front of my vehicle right here. And now he's got the dog out, gonna sniff the air around the vehicle, and he's got a rifle out, and he chambered a round. You heard it? We all know that there's nothing whatsoever illegal in the vehicle. Now he's coming to do a canine sniff. And we all know how accurate these dogs are. The dog's not going to alert to anything, and they know it. But they'll say that he does in order to get me out. Yep, see, nothing. But they're going to say that he alerted in order to get me out of the vehicle. Been here, done that. Once again, no alert. No alert until he tells the dog to sit down. But there's no alert, and he knows it. Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
The dog finds nothing, and about 3 minutes later, Captain Sturgeon returns. But notice that this time he has removed his name tag.
Alright, sir. We're done with our inspection. Thank you.
Am I still detained, or am I free to go?
You're free to go.
You want to say hi to anybody on YouTube or anything?
No, thanks.
All right.
This is another good example of why you should always record your interactions with law enforcement. From what we can tell, this entire encounter was unlawful and an egregious violation of Joe's right to travel freely and his Fourth Amendment rights. Joe still has no clue as to why the stop occurred, but questions whether it was retaliation for filing a complaint against the officer the year prior. Make sure to check out my dashcam recommendations in the description. Even the cheap ones are well worth having for some form of constant record keeping in case of events like this. Let me know down below what you think of this interaction, and give a big thanks to Joe for submitting this video. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.